parking on their personalized spots. Battery Creek High School juniors and seniors added a splash of color to the parking lot over the weekend. The fundraiser for the senior class allowed students to paint their parking spots for a $10 fee. The students say it's great to be able to add their personality to their spots.
Something that's different I can express about myself is great, because I don't like being in the same crowd as everyone else. I like to express myself differently.
Even some teachers showed off their artistic skills, and the administrators showed school spirit by painting "We Are Creek" over their spaces. All the student designs were approved by the school. One student painted a character from his favorite TV show, while another showed love for her favorite entertainer.
My parking spot was David Bowie's symbol, like his face. David Bowie's been kind of a big part of my life since I was a little kid. I even had my senior quote as a David Bowie quote. I thought it'd be really cool just to have his face every time I just pull into the school, you know what I'm saying? It makes positive vibes,
We ended up drawing and painting Mr. Meeseeks. He's a character from my favorite show. What he does is he just tries to help people, and I think that's really nice of him. That's like his whole life purpose, is just helping people out, and I like to be helpful.
The teacher that organized the fundraiser says it was great to see more than just students out in the parking lot having fun.
They were really excited. They came out with their ideas. They had all their paints. It was really neat to see that they were sharing paints, because they'd realized at the last minute, oh, I need this color. And they were designing. We had parents out helping the seniors. We had friends helping them. So it was a nice event where they came out and just had fun.
The students say this is a great tradition and hope more teens take part next year.
I think more people should do it because it lets people express themselves and make them stand out, because sticking out makes, you unique as a person.
At Battery Creek High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.